Vatican City is in mourning following the passing of Pope Francis at the age of 88. George Mario Bergoglio, elected in 2013, became the first Latin American pope, bringing a unique and deeply compassionate perspective to the Catholic Church. Throughout his papacy, Pope Francis was known for his humility, his focus on the marginalized, and his unwavering calls for social justice. He championed environmental protection, advocating for urgent action against climate change. His global travels and dialogues with world leaders emphasized peace and understanding. Beyond his official duties, Pope Francis' words resonated with people of all faiths. He often spoke of the importance of mercy and forgiveness, reminding us that no one is excluded from God's mercy. He encouraged us to dream of a world where we are all brothers and sisters, and to go out and tell the good news that God loves us. His legacy will be remembered for his dedication to serving the poor, his commitment to interfaith dialogue, and his powerful messages of hope and compassion. The world has lost a truly influential figure, a shepherd who sought to bring light to the darkest corners of humanity.